Aloha, you guys, and welcome back to another episode of the Imua bicycle camper build. And in this video, we've got three basic sections. First off, we're going to trim and attach these wall panels. Secondly, we're going to paint a foam panel in preparation for fiberglassing it. And thirdly, we're going to work on installing the interior walls of this camper.
Like a fillet knife, I'm following that edge, right? Okay. So I'm just following that fillet edge. Just cut this off. Old tape, still holding, but. And then we can always use our sander if it's still a little bit over. But like this gap there, we'll just fiberglass that over, doesn't matter.
Now it's time to put a few coats of paint on either side of this foam panel. And the reason that I'm doing this is because we're going to be fiberglassing this foam panel and using it for the roof. And the problem is the fiberglass resin will absolutely destroy the foam. So by putting a couple of coats of paint on, we're able to achieve that resistance that we need, and we'll get a nice strong panel for the roof. Now time for that all important second coat. In all, I put 3 coats on each side. These are the 1/4-inch birch wall panels that we're going to be using for the interior, and I've got to cut out some notches to accommodate the PVC frames. Nice and easy. With the cuts made, it's now time to do a dry fit. Sloppy work, but it's in. So of course the top still needs to be cut. That gives you an idea of what it's going to look like. Now for the second wall panel.
Okay, looks good.
This is the side that goes internal. Trim the top. Viva la différence. Let's see that camera stick. And here I am trimming off a couple inches from the tops of these panels to make sure that they are the right height for our walls. Exactly what a jigsaw's designed for. Cut thin sheet material like this, yeah? Okay. By getting that edge close to here, it won't flap as much when I'm cutting it. Oh, I threw those trim pieces. I can really use them now. This way. Okay. And got this. Would you hold this up?
Yeah.
Get that stupid thing out of there.
Alright. Windy.
So if you prefer, you can put it on this thing and get some real close-up action.
It's probably fine.
Surfing up here. Channel for these. There's no reason to start and stop the video. Just keep rolling all the way through because we'll just trim it up. Getting these two walls put in is getting us excited about the next steps. We've got some insulation, some more interior walls to do to fiberglass the roof. We've got electrical, we've got some ventilation systems to put in, and of course we've got wheels and a door and some lighting. So there's a bit to do before we're done here, so stay tuned. Aloha.